We'll guide you through how to get and make wolf armor in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. As you can see, it looks super cool, and you can also go and dye the armor as well. So first of all, you need to go and find an armadillo, and you can go and find them in savanna and badlands biomes. And what we need from the armadillo is armadillo scoots. So what's going to happen is the armadillo will drop them naturally every 5 to 10 minutes, or alternatively you can go and brush armadillos. So get a brush, and what you can then do is go and right click on it. As you can see, a scoot is then dropped. There's no cooldown, so you can just go and keep on clicking them like so. But as you can see, it does do quite a lot of damage to your brush. So waiting for the scoots to be naturally dropped may work better, but what you need is 6 scoots, which I've now got. And then all you need to do is go and get a crafting table, and you need to go and place them in this pattern like so. 3 on the left, 1 in the middle, 1 in the middle over to the right, and then 1 in the bottom right. And as you can see, that goes and makes wolf armor. You can then go and craft it. Then what you can do to put it on your wolf is literally just go and right click it like so, and it's then on it. You can dye it, and if you want to remove it, you can go and use shears. If you found this useful, then leave a like.